Imagine your life as a painting. Every choice, every experience, every moment adds a brushstroke to your canvas. But what if you've lost your way? If the colors no longer inspire you, or if the picture feels incomplete? The beauty of life is this: you can always repaint your canvas. Today, I want to guide you through the process of transforming your life into a masterpiece. Together, let's explore how to let go of what no longer serves you, embrace new possibilities, and paint with purpose, clarity, and joy. The first step to repainting your life is to look at your current canvas with honesty and compassion. Too often, we avoid examining our lives because we fear what we'll see. I remember a young seeker who came to the monastery. He said, "My life feels chaotic, like a messy painting with no meaning." My teacher replied, "Every brushstroke, even the messy ones, is part of your story. To repaint, you must first embrace the canvas as it is. Take a moment to reflect. What does your life look like right now? What patterns, habits, or colors are no longer aligned with who you want to become? To create something new, you must let go of what no longer serves you. This doesn't mean erasing the past but transforming it into a foundation for growth." When I joined the monastery, I had to let go of many attachments, possessions, old beliefs, even relationships that no longer supported my path. It wasn't easy, but I realized that clinging to the old left no room for the new. Imagine your canvas covered with layers of dried paint. To repaint, you must scrape away the excess and create space for fresh colors. What can you release today to make room for transformation? Every brushstroke begins with a choice. What colors will you bring into your life? Will they be vibrant with passion, soft with kindness, or bold with courage? A fellow monk once shared a story about a potter. He said, "The potter doesn't just mold clay, he envisions the vessel it will become." Likewise, you must envision the life you wish to create and choose your colors with intention. Ask yourself, what values, dreams, and emotions do you want to bring into your life? Write them down, and let them guide your actions. Great paintings are not created in a single day. They require layers, adjustments, and time. The same is true for life. When I struggled with meditation, my teacher reminded me, every moment of stillness is a brushstroke. Over time, the picture will reveal itself. Be patient with yourself. Transformation is not a race, it's a journey. Celebrate small victories, and trust that each step forward adds depth and meaning to your canvas. Not every stroke will be perfect, and that's okay. Mistakes are not failures, they are opportunities to learn and grow. Once, while painting a mural in the monastery, I accidentally smudged a section. Frustrated, I wanted to start over. But my teacher said, "Work with the smudge. Let it guide the next stroke." To my surprise, the mistake became the most beautiful part of the mural. In life, embrace your imperfections. They add character to your story and teach you resilience. Repainting your life isn't just about fixing what's broken, it's about rediscovering the joy of creation. Approach each day with curiosity, as if picking up a new brush for the first time. In the monastery, we often painted mandalas, intricate designs made with care and intention. The process wasn't about the end result, it was about the joy of creating in the present moment. Find joy in the process of repainting your life. It's not about perfection, it's about expression. A painting is meant to be shared. Your life, too, is a gift to the world. When you live authentically and with purpose, you inspire others to do the same. Once, a villager asked me why monks spend so much time creating sand mandalas, only to let the wind carry them away. I replied, "The mandala is a reminder that beauty exists to be shared, not held." As you repaint your life, share your journey with others. Your story may be the brushstroke that inspires someone else's masterpiece. Life is a canvas, and you are the artist. No matter how messy or incomplete it may seem, you have the power to repaint it with intention, courage, and love. Take a moment today to reflect. What colors will you choose for your canvas? What story will you tell with your brushstrokes? If this message resonates with you, share your thoughts in the comments. How are you repainting your life? Thank you for allowing me to share this space with you. Remember, every day is a new opportunity to pick up the brush. Until we meet again, walk mindfully and live with purpose.